I will talk about how can you disable advanced notifications on your eToro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on notifications. When you just click on notifications here, then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to copy trader here. You come here to add fonts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here add fonts notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.